Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration of the iCarsoft LR version 2.0 kit. Now this kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. So we're in a Land Rover Discovery here. It's a 2010 vehicle, and as you can see we've got a few warning lights on the dashboard here, otherwise known as the three AMIGOs. We've got the traction stability control warning light, the ABS warning light, and the orange or yellow exclamation mark. That's coupled with the usual warning triangle that you will get for a fault and specific messages to what the fault relates to. We've got an ABS fault, a suspension fault, park brake fault, stability control fault, and they are all linked together. So for this demonstration we're going to use the, as I say, the iCarsoft LR version 2.0 kit, and the tool is currently plugged into the diagnostic port. So we're going to click on to diagnostics and go through the process of actually showing you how to diagnose this particular fault. So we're going to click on to Land Rover, and we're going to go through the process of selecting our specific vehicle. So it's a Discovery, and it's a 2010 vehicle. It's a diesel 3-litre V6. Click on manual select and we'll select the ABS system. So from here we go to read fault code, and it's telling us the fault code is C003A, rear right wheel speed sensor. So it was a problem with the ABS sensor on the rear right of the vehicle. In this case it's the driver's side, because we are on the right hand side here in the UK. So we've changed out the ABS sensor, put a new ABS sensor in, but obviously we're still getting all of the warning messages and the code is still shown on screen. To get rid of these, well, we just need to click on to clear fault memory. It's giving us a final warning message, just asking us if we're sure. I'm going to click enter. Okay, erasing the fault codes, erase operation done. You will see though that all of the warning lights are still on screen. What we need to do here is simply restart the vehicle. So I'll come back to the start of the menu system, and I'm going to simply turn the vehicle off. Give it a second, start the engine again. We should see the warning lights disappear, as they have done. These messages will also turn off after a second or so. The reason this one is still on is that simply because we have the park brake engaged. I can turn that off just by doing that. It's electronic park and brake on this vehicle, but I'll turn that back on just while we're parked up. So yeah, it's a fantastic kit, and it doesn't just cover the ABS, it obviously covers the engine, the airbags, transmission, suspension, service reset, and a whole lot more. But if you are interested in this kit, as I say, just click the link directly below this video or log on to Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. It's a fantastic kit for any Land Rover or Jaguar owner who wishes to maintain their own vehicle and keep it in as good condition as possible, and maybe work on your own problems and faults. And it's a good way to learn along the way as well. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.